Are you ready to save time, money, and resources conducting qualitative research? Welcome to How to Use ChatGPT to Expedite Qualitative Research, by Asher Beckwith, PhD, Asher at qualitativeresearchi.com, www.qualitativeresearchi.com. You will learn how to use ChatGPT to identify a qualitative research topic and questions, conduct a literature review, understand data collection and sampling strategies, analyze your qualitative data, deductive and inductive approaches, and write up your findings. This course provides researchers, academics, and professionals with a comprehensive understanding of how to use ChatGPT in qualitative research. Meet your instructor, Asher Beckwith, PhD. Dr. Beckwith is an internationally known qualitative research expert with over 23 years of experience working on over 5,000 projects. Ready to get started? Click on the Get Started Now button to access our online course 24/7. Contact Asher Beckwith, PhD at asher@qualitativeresearchi.com, www.qualitativeresearchi.com.